dokumenti falsifikati, persuni ta' periklu f'ċelel ma' persuni vulnerabbli u tmexxija tal-ħabs li ddawwar wiċċha quddiem dawn il-prattiċi. Huma dawn l-allegazzjonijiet serji li saru fil-konfront tal-faċilità korrettiva ta' Kordin minn infermier li kien jaħdem f'din l-istess faċilità u li issa ġi trasferit fil-Forensic Unit ta' Monte Carmeli. Filmat ta' aktar minn 17 minuta ippubblikat ftit tal-jimilu Federico Levi li hu infermier allega li t-tmexxija tal-ħabs ta' Kordin flimkien mal-professjonisti mediċi qed jonqsu fix-xogħol tagħhom. Il-ġrajja tmur lura xhur u Levi qed jallega li t-tmexxija tal-ħabs allegatament kienu marfa li l-priġunier Vuk Milic, is-Serb illi qed ikun akkużat li qatel il-priġunier Jesmond Gatt fil-Forensic Unit f'Monte Carmeli huwa perikolus. Bl-akkuża tkun li ftit jiem qabel ma qatel lil Gatt huwa kien diġà prova joqtol priġunier ieħor f'Division 4.
And Vuk Milic, before going to the Forensic Unit, in that month had at least 4, 5 or 6 different episodes where he was aggressive, including one where he was trying to kill in Division 4 his cellmate.
Skont Levi minkejja dan ir-riskju Milic tpoġġa f'ċella ma' Gatt bir-riżultat li dan l-istess Milic qatel lil Jesmond Gatt. Aħbar li oriġinarjament kienet ġiet spjegata mid-direttur tal-ħabs Chris Sigersma bħala inċident, iżda mbagħad kien ammetta Milic li kienu li wassal għal mewt ta' Gatt.
You know, we were expecting was that. And I'm not saying that Vuk didn't kill physically Jesmond Gatt, okay? But what I'm saying is that if we just did a referral for the forensic unit for an inmate that sometimes has, more than sometimes, that in the last month had 4, 5, 6 episodes of violence, including the fact that he was trying to kill his cellmate, I am expecting that the psychiatrist that is taking care of him is a bit conscious and try to not put him in the cell of someone else that is even more vulnerable than the person that he tried to kill at the first time.
L-infermier allega wkoll li saru numru ta' irregolaritajiet mit-tmexxija tal-ħabs brabta ma' dokumenti mediċi li jaċċertaw it-trolli li jintuża meta sseħħ emerġenza u li fih ikun hemm apparat mediku u anke mediċini li jistgħu isalvaw persuna. Levi allega illi it-trolli qatt ma kienet jiġi ċċekkjat dan minkejja li dan suppost isir b'mod regolari. Madankollu huwa qal li kienu bosta drabi li tkellem kemm mal-infermier li jmexxi l-klinika tal-ħabs kif ukoll mad-direttur Sigersma, iżda skont Levi huwa kien injorat.
And I specifically request to have a list for the emergency trolley, and the list was not provided. And when I went to check myself, because it wasn't my duty to check on Sunday, I found horrible things. Medication expired, that anything was not really checked, but there were just copy-paste from previously entry. They were just copy-paste the data. And I sent all this information to the director. Even the seals of the emergency trolley were not open at all. They were being reported in the same seal number. This means that they didn't check. When after my report, you know what happened? Nothing. If not, that they falsify the register. And after I reported again to the director that someone falsified the register, putting his signature when was not even on duty, I was communicated that my role in Corradino Correctional Facility is going to be transferred from there to the forensic unit.
Net News ikkuntattja lid-direttur tal-ħabs Christopher Sigersma sabiex issir spjegazzjoni dwar il-każ ta' Vuk Milic, fejn din il-Kamra tal-Aħbarijiet staqsiet jekk hux minnu illi Milic kien diġà prova joqtol persuna oħra fil-ħabs u jekk dan huwa veru kif tpoġġa ma' priġunier ieħor. Id-direttur tal-ħabs spjega li l-filmat li fih qed isiru dawn l-allegazzjonijiet qed ikun investigat mill-Pulizija, flimkien ma' dokumenti illi skont Sigersma juru l-kontra ta' dawn l-allegazzjonijiet. U għatenna li l-Aġenzija Korrettiva qed tieħu dawn l-allegazzjonijiet b'mod serju u għaddejja investigazzjoni bl-għajnuna tal-istess aġenzija.